In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show appreciation on Asana in just 5 minutes. Expressing gratitude and motivating your team is vital for fostering a positive work environment, and Asana provides some great features to help you do just that. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up Asana by navigating to their website and logging into your account. Once there, you'll see the main login screen. Enter your email address associated with your Asana account in the designated field. This is important to ensure you're accessing the right projects and tasks. After entering your email, go ahead and click on the Continue button. This will take you to the next screen where you'll be prompted to enter your password. Remember, for security reasons, keep your password confidential and ensure it's something known only to you. Once you've entered your password, click on the Login button. This will direct you to your Asana homepage where you can see an overview of all your recent activity, projects, and tasks. Now that you're logged in, the fun begins. On your homepage, you'll see a list of projects. Click on the project that you want to engage with. Each project in Asana is like a hub of all related tasks and communications, so selecting the right project is key. Next, navigate to the task you want to show appreciation for. You can do this by clicking on any task details. This will open up the detailed view of the task, providing you with more context and allowing you to interact with it fully. In the task details panel, scroll down until you reach the comment bar at the bottom. Here you'll see several icons, one of which is a star icon located right next to the @ mention and emoji signs. Clicking this star icon will open up the Appreciations menu. Once the Appreciations menu appears, you'll be able to choose from a variety of appreciation options. These are fun, visual ways to express your gratitude towards a team member's hard work or success in completing a task. Pick the appreciation that best represents your feelings towards the recipient's achievement. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to boost team morale and demonstrate your gratitude within Asana. Incorporating regular appreciation into your routine can significantly enhance team engagement and motivation. Asana makes this easy and enjoyable, so don't hesitate to use this feature often to uplift your colleagues. Thanks for watching and enjoy making your work environment a more appreciative one.